Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. If you love staying organized as much as I do, you're going to love this monthly planner.
This is a super simplified monthly planner from ZICOTO, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I love the gold detailing on the front and back of this, and it is just so simple and beautiful. I love how you get the month at a glance with a small to do to check off every month. And then when you turn the page, you get a full month breakdown. So you can put things down as your monthly goals, your monthly tasks. You have a great section for your notes, somewhere for reminders, and you even get to mark down important dates. This makes it so easy to just take your month at a glance and see what needs to get done. I also love how it has a pocket in the back, which is perfect for things like receipts or notes that you need to keep track of. Having your documents on hand in your planner is so amazing.
So keep everything organized with this great monthly planner. You're going to love it, and that's my point of view.